how to get a Netflix promo code or discount. Hello, everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps. So, Netflix promo codes and discounts are not commonly available, but there are a few ways to potentially save them on your subscription. So, you can head over to Netflix website or their social media for that. So, let's go to Netflix website, which is netflix.com. After you go there, you can basically look out for different plans going on here. So you can go ahead and enter up your details here, and you can look out for current promotions or special offers on the official Netflix website. So you can even follow them on their Netflix like on social media, for example Instagram, and there you can stay updated on new releases and potential promotions by following the Netflix on their social media channels. Apart from that, sometimes Netflix can also partner with other companies to offer discounts. So you can directly search for Netflix promo code, and there you will be finding different links available. For example, you can look out for Groupon, that is one of the popular place from where you can get promo code. You can look out for the promo code from there and check with the retailers, mobile providers, or other business that might have promotional offers for Netflix. And you can even purchase Netflix gift card, which may be sometimes available at a discount from retailers or through promotions. And when redeeming a gift card, you can go to netflix.com/redeem, which is right here, netflix.com/redeem. And there you can go ahead and redeem the promo code that you are looking for. And that is it. So you can basically follow up this process if you'd like to go ahead and get a Netflix promo code or discount. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.